My name is Josie and I'm a librarian with the Chutes Public Library. Today we're going to talk about gardening. I've got my gardening hat on. I've got some gardening gloves right at hand. And inch by inch, row by row, we're gonna make this garden grow. So what do we need to make our garden grow? I'm gonna take my gloves back off. We just need a couple of things to make our garden grow. We need some water. We need sunshine. We need dirt, like I have in this little peat pot. And we need seeds. So I want to talk a little bit about seeds because I love seeds. I've got some very special seeds today. I've got one. This is a pea seed. It's a little bit green. It's all rolly and it's kind of big. I've also got a sunflower seed. The sunflower seed is gray and white striped. Sometimes they're black. But it's a different shape. It's not rolly. It's skinny on one side and thick on the other. I also have a nasturtium seed. Nasturtium seeds are also rolly like the pea seed, but they're really bumpy. So seeds can be all different kinds. So that was a pea seed, a sunflower seed, and a nasturtium seed. Maybe you see seeds every day, but we're going to pretend to be a seed today. So I want you to crouch down and make yourself as small as you can. Here we go. Little seed in the ground, sitting so still. Will you sprout? Yes, I will. Okay, we'll do that a second time, but when you sprout, you can jump if you want to, or if you have a little one in your lap, you can toss them up if you want to. So here we go. Make yourself all dark and tiny. Little seed in the ground, sitting so still. Will you sprout? Yes, I will. Oh, good job, friends. So, inch by inch, row by row, we're gonna make this garden grow. Have fun gardening this spring. Thanks, bye.